So now everything is taken care of. You have created your system, everything. The WhatsApp machine is officially ready. Now all you have to do is just add leads to the system and more on that later. And once you've added the leads, you're obviously going to get replies and you should know how to manage them as well. More on that later as well. But the end goal, like after you've received all the replies and everything, you will be booking appointments and meetings with people. So, what we need to do over here is create the system which ensures that the appointments which are being booked they actually show up on time. And it's pretty important. Like, there's no point of booking meetings and calls and all if they do not show up in the first place. So, actually, I am going to create like a new system for myself as well for the appointment show up and nurturing process. So, yeah, it's going to be cool. I am creating this for my business, but this will be exactly the same for yours as well. Like, the process is exactly the same. So, you simply come to the automation tab and you simply click on create a workflow, and after that you simply select like pick from scratch, start from scratch. Once that is taken care of, you click on this plus button, add new trigger and search for appointment. And after that you simply select this customer booked appointment. Click on add filter, the plus button over here, and from here select in calendar, and over here you can select not a sales call. Like, I'll just name it as a discovery call. I just prefer that. So no, actually I think the calendar which we're using for the discovery call is not a sales call. So we created two calendars, if you remember. The first one being not a sales call, which is basically the discovery call, and the other one being a demo call. So in this account, I actually don't have the demo call account. I'm doing it on my own personal account. And the reason I don't have the demo call calendar is because I personally don't take two calls. Like, I do a one call close. So this is my discovery call calendar, which I call like not a sales call. So I'm just going to select that over here. Just select the name of the calendar. In your case, it will be not a sales call as well. But in case you've used another name, so make changes accordingly and click on save a trigger. Once that is taken care of, the next thing you need to do is the moment the appointment has been confirmed, we need to update the opportunity. So you simply search for update, like click on the plus button over here in case you don't know what to do. Click on plus button, click on update, create slash update opportunity. And after that, just simply select in the pipeline. Just use the pipeline where it's currently added. So I named it as WhatsApp outbound sawmill in my name, in my account, sorry. In your account, I think we named it as WhatsApp outreach. So whatever the name of that was. And in pipeline stage, we move it to appointment. In your case, if you're doing like a discovery call and a demo call, it might be like you just have to update this over here to discovery call if you do a two call close. The reason I'm not doing a discovery call and a demo call, like the reason I don't have the discovery call field over here is because I close it in one deal. But if you have a two call closed, if you take a discovery and a demo call separately, then please select discovery call over here. So I'm just going to select that and click on save action. After that, once again, just keep on saving it. We're also going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it appointment show up system. Yeah. And after that, we click on the plus button and we just add a 30-second wait. So search for wait, add it 0.5 minutes, which is 30 seconds. Once that is done, click on the plus button and click on send SMS. Once that is taken care of, you simply can be like, you can simply just include the simple confirmatory text. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on custom values. I'll select contact and contact first name. So this will start with the first name. So let's say if there's a person called James, it will be like James. If Sawmill booked a call, it will be like Sawmill. So I'll be like, James, just saw you booked a call with me on. And after this, click on this custom value thing again. Click like, just a second. Just click on this custom value thing again. Go to appointment, like the third option over here. And in the here, select start date time. What this will do is, like, you don't want to, like, basically, let's say you booked a call with me for 10 p.m. Dubai time. This message would look like, let's say your name is James. It will appear as James. Just saw you booked a call with me on, like, the date first. So maybe let's say you booked it on 17 January. James just saw you booked a call with me on 17 January, 10 p.m. Dubai time. So just include this, like there are a lot of options, once again showing you in case someone missed it. Contact first name. How you do that? Go to this tag option, like just click on the tag button, click on contact and click on first name over here, comma, just saw you booked a call with me on, click on this tag over here, come to appointment and click on appointment start date. Sorry, whatever this is called, like start date time. Basically, it will have all the details like the time zone and everything. And just click on this. After this, I'll simply include like a meeting joining link. Here's the link to join the meeting. Click on this custom value thing again. And I don't know why you have to do it twice. So just click on this, go to appointment and select, like scroll down below and select meeting location. What this will do is, if you've connected like Zoom or Google Calendar, the meeting link will automatically be created like a unique meeting link, and it is going to be updated over here. So you can just be like, here's the link to join the meeting. You can be like, contact first name, just so you booked a call with me on this is this date. Here's the link to join the meeting. And after that, I'll be like, please. After that, I'll be like, please confirm if you'll show up on time. If you wish to reschedule, you can choose a time as per your convenience here. So just click on this thing, custom values, and once again, like for some reason it's a glitch in my account, it never opens up in the first time. Click on this tag again, go to appointment and simply select reschedule link over here. And what's this going to do is like give the link where the person can reschedule. It's a pretty simple message. We just want to, like, we don't want to be creative. Like, I know it's kind of intuitive to say, but my only aim over here is to ensure like the person genuinely shows up for the meeting. So yeah, that's all I had to do. Click on save action and click on save. After that, we simply, like, I'll just name it as appointment booked acknowledgement. I'll just name it as that. Perfect. Now we want to, like, you have two options. Either you can just simply send reminders or you can nurture the person as well. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be nurturing the person. So I have a VSL, a 30-minute video, which I'm going to be using. So I think it was called, yeah, something like this. Yeah. So this is a 36-minute VSL, which I basically use to nurture like its social proof, everything. So I'm going to be sharing the link to this video. So it's totally optional. You can simply click on the plus button over here, search for wait, and then simply click on this. And after that, come to like time delay. And instead of that, just simply click on event/appointment time, like the second option over here. Click on this and select before over here. Come to the days tab and select 1. Like, just follow me, it won't make a lot of sense. Leave it as it is and click on save action. What this does is it will wait, like let's say the call is at 10 p.m. tomorrow. Now the next action, whatever happens, will happen 24 hours before that. Like, we just basically told our system, wait for 1 day before the event. and then move on to the next action. And someone might be like, Soumil, let's say he booked a call like 12 hours later, and basically like it's, let's say 1st January, it's like 8 a.m. in the morning, and the person booked a call for 8 p.m. in the night. And you might be like, Soumil, like 24 hours will be 8 a.m. the next day. So what will happen in this case? Like what exactly is going to happen? So if that's the case, all communications will be skipped. Like basically the message won't go to him. If the meeting is below, like before 24 hours, don't worry, the reminders and all, they will go out. But yeah, basically just follow my instructions. Like don't try to use a lot of your brain. After that, we once again click on send SMS, and we're gonna type out a simple message, like a really simple message. I'll be like, R, I'll be like something like contact first name. A meeting starts in 24 hours and wanted to share a quick video explaining what we do and how we can help you. Then I'll add the link to the video. Please let me know your thoughts once you've watched it. And I'll always suggest that you should like always and always just always sell Loom links. I don't know why, but Loom videos perform much better. Like if you are dead broke, in the future we probably will think of like a partnership or a system where you can get Loom at like pretty affordable prices. So Loom is usually like $18, so close to like 1600, 1700 rupees. We'll try to provide you access to Loom for close to $3 to $5 in the future. So that is in the works. If that is there, you're gonna find like the Loom discounted link below over here in the SOP. And you can do that. If you're too broke to have a Loom, what we can do for you is you can use our Loom system. It will be like basically you give us the Google Drive, like you upload your video into Google Drive. You pay a one-time fee of, I think just, it will be close to like somewhere between $3 to $5, like a one-time fee, not a monthly fee. We will host it on our Loom account. And yeah, you can just simply share the link to that video. We can attach all of your links and everything. So that's a affordable option. If you don't even have that, if you're like dead broke totally on the streets, then you can simply like go to YouTube. YouTube video will work the fine as well, but Loom works the best. And I'll be creating like a SOP on how to create this case study type of video later. I have not done it yet. And once that will be done, you can simply like come here below and you will find the Loom video case study type video creation SOP over here. And also the price which you can pay, like a one-time investment, which will be close to like $3, $5, which you can pay to get your video hosted onto Loom. So you don't have to pay like $18 a month to Loom every month, and you can just pay a one-time fee and we will host it on our account or Loom for you. Please let me know your thoughts once you watched it. Pretty simple message. I'll just call it Nocho. Once. Perfect. Once that is done, we simply like, if you want to like save time, you can simply click on the three dots, click on copy action, and just paste it over here. And now we don't want to wait for like one day, like we want to send the next message around 12 hours before the meeting. But 12 would actually be kind of like weird. Like if there's a meeting at like 12 would be kind of weird. So maybe like, what do you think would be a good time? I think like what I usually do, I think 6 hours before will be a good meet time. So I'll think I'll just send it over. Like actually I'll just do 12 as well. Like it won't kill me if I just send 2 messages. So just select this as 12. And yeah, actually I'll just keep it 6. Like I don't want to send too many messages. Just select it as 6. Once again, copy the message, Just copy action. We can change the content later. Click on copy here, and over here I'll just like remove the text and I'll keep it the same. I want the first name of the person. Hate to bother you, but just a quick reminder that our meeting starts in approx 12 hours. Yeah, pretty simple and straightforward. And you can also add emojis, like just add any emoji if you want to. I don't like that. I just keep it simple. Click on save action. Once you're done with that, once again you copy this, like these three dots, copy action, and paste it over here. What I'm gonna do is I'll just copy the exact same, not this one. I want the Loom video link as well, so I'll just copy the message, come to the message, and in the wait thing, like the last wait thing which we copied from here, we want this message to go out 3 hours below the meeting. So select 3 from here and click on save action. Yeah, just save action. After that, like click on these 3 dots, copy action over here. I'll name it as 12-hour reminder. I just want to remember. It does not really matter what you call it. And over here I'll just call it as 3-hour nudge. I'll be something like excited to speak to you and help you 3 hours from now. And you might be wondering, Somil, why don't you make E capital? I've seen like the more you type like a human, the more people like you, and humans don't always use auto capitalization. Mostly like it just looks more personal to me. That's why I use it. Excited to speak to you and help you 3 hours from now. Please ensure you watch this video before that so that you understand. I'll just keep it like that. Please ensure you watch this video before that. Simple and straightforward. I'll just leave the Loom link over here. Yeah, just the Loom link. So I'll just leave it like this. You can just keep like excited to speak to you and help you 3 hours from now. If you don't have the Loom video, I will use the Loom video because it nurtures people and it's much easier to convert someone after they've been nurtured compared to the version of them who do not know you, who do not trust you and all of that crap. So yeah, just use it to nurture people. Once again, we want to send out a reminder like 1 hour before the meeting as well. Click on these 3 dots, click on copy action, and just paste it over here. Once that is done, we want to select 1 hour over here, click on save action, click on these 3 dots, copy it again, copy action, and copy it over here. And just name it as, what do you want to call it? Just name it as anything, like I'll just name it like 1 hour reminder. And yeah, so I'll be like the custom tag button, contact, first name, don't wanna annoy you, but I know how busy we all get. Just reminder that our call starts 30 minutes from now. Perfect. Woo. After that, we click on these 3 dots again, copy action, paste it over here. and we don't want to send it at 1 hour, we want to send it 30 minutes before. Click on these three dots, copy and paste them over here. I'll be like, I'll just do something like, please ensure please try to ensure a quick reminder. Call starts in 30 minutes. Hope you're gonna be able to make it. Hope you're like something like, please let me know if you'll be able to join at the correct time. If not, please reschedule here. And click on this custom value thing. Go to appointment and come below and select this reschedule link. So basically, like most of the reschedules I've seen happen 30 minutes before the call. Like mostly then people are like, yeah, I cannot make it, so it's better if they reschedule. Yeah. So then that, click on these three dots again and just name it as 30-minute reminder. Just ensuring everything. Yeah, we made a mistake in the 1 hour reminder. We said 30 minutes from now, so I'll change it. Starts in an hour. Boom. And yeah, we were waiting. Yeah, everything is good. Once that is taken care of, you simply click on this button again, copy action, paste it over here, and over here you simply do 10 minutes, copy this, copy action, paste it over here, name it as 10 minutes. What do I want to name? Like, what do I want to say? Some just like last reminder, call in 10 minutes. Yeah, just simple. After that, click on the plus button, search for wait, and after that event/appointment time, and we want to select, click on this before button, select exact time, and yeah, just click on this save action and just send. Like, click on the plus button, click on send SMS. It'll be like, waiting for you in call, and then click on this custom value, appointment and meeting location. Yep. So this will go out when the call has started. Save action. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you had to do. And over here, obviously ensure like the right people, like basically all the calls which I booked, they are booked in my calendar. So I'm just going to click on this plus button and I'm going to search for assign to user, plus button, and I'm going to select myself from here. You can like select yourself if you're the person who's taking the calls. So yeah, just click on save action. So this is the first action which I forgot to add. So just add it over create or update opportunity. Click the plus button over here, this one, and just search assign to user and select yourself. Yep. And yeah, just click on publish and you're pretty much like good to go. Pretty much good to go. I'll just try to book like a test meeting and try to show you what it looks like. So I'll just go to It turns out that Command S is the shortcut for stopping the recording. So by mistake, I pressed that. So I'll just go and try to book a demo meeting and we'll see if it's working or not. And also troubleshoot, see if there are any issues. So let's say I'm just booking a meeting with myself, like let's say this. Or let's say I book it for 15, like let's say this time. And be like Sawmill 2400. And just enter the phone number which I'm gonna use. Yes, I will show up on time, schedule meeting. I should receive a message. Like, yeah. Also, you can see it's automatically redirected to my WhatsApp. So I should ideally receive a message in like 30 seconds. You can see if someone is in the automation or not by simply going to the automation tab and just opening up the automation you just created. So I can see total enrolled, active enrolled because I just booked the meeting. So let's just wait for it. Let's just wait. Let's see what's going on in the SailGen community till then.
काफी कुछ कर रहे हो आप लोग
I'll just watch it later. Perfect, it should have come, but why did it not come? Like, you can come to the execution logs to see what exactly happened. Why was appointment booking skipped? Oh, I think I entered my wrong phone number. That's the reason. But if you enter your right phone number, the people are putting in the right phone numbers, then it should work. In case by mistake it's not working, you simply come to the automated profits alchemy community, like community.sailgen.com/communities. If you don't know where to access it, just come to the WhatsApp community of SailGen and just request, like just come here and just be like, hey bro, I want this thing, like I just want link to the community, and come to questions and answers, click on the search button over here and just be like facing this issue, go to loom.com, go to loom and just record like your screen for like a minute or two, whatever the issue is, explain it with your voice and your screen recording, and just paste the loom link over here, and yeah, we'll get back to you, we'll fix the issue. Yeah, that's how you fix it, but it's pretty much good to go. The only issue was I by mistake entered the incorrect phone number, and that's how you ensure like appointments show up. In case you're wondering, Sommel, I also want to create the same system for the demo call. What should I do then? Just click on these three dots and click on duplicate workflow. I'll name it as demo call appointment show up system and just click on it. Like this is how you can create for the demo call as well. It's not very difficult. So click on this button and instead of in calendar, like select demo call from here. Like do not select not a sales call or the discovery call calendar, like over here, because you're using demo call. You have created the calendar. If you followed the previous steps, you will see the demo call. So just select that calendar. So yeah, just select that. And I'm not going to do it because I don't want this automation to be active. Assign to user, exactly the same, because you're the one taking sales calls. Come over here and in the create or update opportunity, if you're taking like a demo call and a discovery call, over here it will say discovery call. Click on that and you're going to see the demo call field over here. Just select the demo call. I don't take demo calls, that's why it's not visible in my account. And after that, keep everything the same. Over here, just simply be like, hey, like leave it exactly the same it is. I don't think so you need to make changes to this. Like you can play around, you have the full freedom to. After that, I don't think so you need to nurture, but if you have to send any resources or something, like as a rule of thumb, never share anything related to pricing before the demo call. If you want to share videos and all, you can do that. And I just want to be like, hey, our meeting starts in 24 hours. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. Just remove all of this extra crap. And yeah, just click on save. After that, before 12 hours, we want to just send the exact same reminder. I don't really think it matters. After that, excited to speak to you 3 hours from now because we're not sending any videos. I'll just delete that, save action. And in the 1 hour reminder, exactly the same. 30-minute reminder, exactly everything is exactly the same. Click on save, click on publish, and you're pretty much good to go. I don't want this because I don't take demo calls. But if I was, that is exactly how you do it. Ensure they like publish, like a lot of you would make this mistake. You'll be like, Someone, this is not working when you've not even published it. In order to publish a workflow, if it says draft over here, it will not work. Click on these 3 dots and simply click on publish workflow. Yeah, that's pretty much all you had to do. Yeah, take care, man.